Recently, I uploaded one video how people are taking the legal actions, how employer taking legal actions against your dual employment or overlapping related issues if you face currently. Of course, most of the organizations started to take legal actions because the employee also rising complaint against with the employer. There are too many issues going on. And end of the day, you will submit your offer letter. You need to read your offer letter properly. There are too many clauses are available. You need to utilize your maximum potential, everyday potential to the current organization only, wherever you are working currently. And this is the clause reflecting in your offer letter. You also agreed digitally or you also agreed manually. Okay. And coming to your questions, too many people are asking about if I have a FIR copy in my past, how this will react in my current background verification or future background verification. Yes, if you have FIR copy or FIR case against with you in the past or present, definitely it will impact in your background verification process, because the civil verification, apart from that, the database verification, police verification and criminal verifications, these are all part of your background verification process. This will impact big in your career. Okay. And if you have FIR related issues, you can contact to me. I will tell you how to submit the documents properly in genuine way for future organization. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.